Hello everybody, check out homemade blueberry muffin in a silicone. Yeah, this is silicone and not paper. Look at the silicone, which I wanted to show you, the purple color silicone cover. Woo, out it comes, isn't it awesome? Silicone, look at that. Make a noise. Well, yeah, it goes right into the oven, so you don't need to use the paper one. The silicone ones can be washed and used again when you bake again, and that is the blueberry muffin that my wife just baked. Very nice. Let me cut it into half so you can take a look inside. It is actually made using almond flour, I was told, so no carbs, all protein, almond flour, and having it with coffee. Yummy. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. Thanks for watching. Bye.